This is our 9 lecture relativity. Unit number 4 relativistic mechanics BSc third year. So the transformation of equation for mass, how we have to discuss this? We have two systems S and S dash be the two inertial frames with the relative velocity v along their common x minus x dash axis, and m be the relativistic mass of particle moving with velocity u relative to an inertial frame s, so over the system S and S dash. So assume that the m1 and u1 be the corresponding quantities or the velocities of the particle measured in S dash S1 dash system. So the expression here, the expression m is equal to m0 upon root of 1 minus u square upon c square, and that is m dash is equal to m0 upon root of 1 minus c square 1 minus u square upon c square. So already we got this m and m dash. So m is equal to, we have to put 1 upon root of 1 minus u square upon c square is equal to beta, is equal to beta. So it will become, so m is equal to m0 into beta, m dash is equal to m0 beta dash. Okay, this is expression number 1. Expression number 1. So beta is equal to 1 minus u square upon c square raised to minus half, and beta dash is equal to 1 minus u dash square upon c square raised to minus half is the second equation, that is beta dash. So this is second equation. Also we know that from the Lorentz equation factor, Lorentz contraction factor, root of 1 minus u square upon c square, that we have 1 minus v upon c square into ux is equal to 1 minus u square upon c square raised to half into 1 minus v square upon c square raised to half. Alright, divide by 1 minus u square upon c square, 1 minus u dash square upon c square raised to half. So this is the expression. So likewise this 1 minus u dash square upon c square bracket complete raised to minus half is equal to 1 minus u square upon c square bracket complete raised to 1 minus 2 into bracket 1 minus v square upon c square raised to 1 minus half raised to minus 1 by 2 upon 1 minus v upon c square into vx raised to minus 1. So using this equation we get beta dash. Beta dash is equal to beta into gamma 1 minus v upon c square into ux, and beta dash upon b is equal to alpha into 1 minus v square upon c square into ux. So in this manner, from this 1 and 2, m1 dash that is m dash upon m is equal to alpha into the bracket 1 minus v upon c square into ux from 1. So this m dash is equal to alpha into 1 minus v upon c square into ux bracket complete into m. This is equation 3. Its inverse transformation is m is equal to alpha into the bracket 1 plus v upon c square u dash x into m1 into m dash. This is 4. So equation 3 and 4 gives the transformation of mass under the Lorentz transformation. So these two systems means inertial frames with the relative velocity v along the common x minus x dash axis. So we have here m be the relativistic mass of the particle moving with the velocity u relative to an inertial frame s. So we have assumed that u m1 and u dash. Yeah, we have to assume that m dash and u dash be the corresponding velocities of the quantities of the particle measured in the system S dash, and then the expression it holds like this way. So we have to equation 3 and 4 gives transformation of mass under Lorentz transformation. That the you have to prove it. That is the transformation of transformation equation for mass. So this we have to discuss this one. Then again we have to see that is the point transformation equation for momentum and energy. Momentum and energy. So that is in the inertial, in an inertial system. So we have, yes, we have P is equal to mu, and mu is equal to beta into m0 u, that is Pm is that is P is equal to b beta m u into u. So this is equal to P suffix x, P suffix y, P suffix z, that is equal to Bm0, that is B means beta, Ux, Uy and Uz. Okay. So that is nothing but P suffix x is equal to Bm0 U suffix x. Then P suffix y is equal to beta m0 u. Then Pz is equal to beta m0 and u suffix z. So also this is we have to say this is equation A. So also E is equal to mc square, that is equal to m0 beta c square. So in S dash, thus in the frame S dash, that is the frame, the corresponding quantities are, so P suffix x is equal to P suffix x dash is equal to beta dash into m0 into u dash. Then P suffix y dash is equal to beta dash m0 u suffix yes, this is the dash y, here x is there. Then P suffix z dash is equal to beta dash m0 into u suffix z dash. And here and E equal to mc square is equal to mc square is equal to beta dash m0 and c square. So all this taken together, we have to write u suffix x dash is equal to u suffix x minus v upon 1 minus u suffix x v upon c square. Then u suffix v dash is equal to u suffix y dash is equal to u suffix y upon alpha into 1 minus u suffix x into v bracket complete upon c square, and then u suffix z is equal to u suffix z upon alpha into 1 minus u suffix x into v upon c square. So all these expressions we will get from this transformation equation for momentum and energy. So you have to refer this. Okay. Then we have to again prove that the example, prove that A is equal to C root of P square plus M0 C square, and del E upon and dE upon dP is equal to U. So in solution, we have to see P square minus E square upon C square is equal to minus M0 square into C. So we have E is equal to C into P square plus M0 C square, M0 square into C square, and then dE upon dP, we will have C upon 2 root of this P square plus M0 C square, M0 square into C square into 2P. So that is equal to dE derivative of E with respect to P, that is Cp upon 2 under root of P square plus m0 square into C square, that is equal to Cp upon EC, that is equal to E upon C, E upon C. So this is equal to PC square into E, that is equal to mu C square by mc square. So P is equal to mu and E is equal to mc square, So all this you have to understand this, no? You understand this, no? So this PC square into E, PC square into E is equal to mu C square in upon mc square. So P is equal to mu, E is equal to mc square. So this is the expression for velocity and for acceleration. And for acceleration, for velocity and for acceleration. So the for velocity of a particle is defined as, so u dash ui is equal to u over I dash I is equal to, that is dxi upon ds. This is 1, and accordingly the for acceleration is a over I is equal to dui, I is over upon ds. So this is the for velocity and for acceleration. So this is for velocity and this is for acceleration. So this is the acceleration and velocity we have to define. Then the theorem, that is the for velocity of a particle is the unit of a particle is unit time like vector. So for this, yes, this is over, this is proof for this. So we have dA square is equal to G suffix ij dxi dxj. So this is the general format. This is the general format. So ds square is equal to 1. 1 is equal to gij upon gij dx raised to I upon ds into dx raised to j upon ds, that is equal to gij ui and uj. Okay, so this means u dash u over I is a unit vector. Since its magnitude square is positive. It is time-like. It is time-like. So this is the theorem. The four velocity of a particle is time-like vector. So we have to find the ds square is equal to gi I u over I into u over j. Then u dash is u over I is a unit vector. Since its magnitude square is positive, it is time-like. So today we have finished some part of the relativistic mechanics unit number 4, BSc third year. So we will see the next and we'll do something new. Okay. So all these examples, do make it practice.